Dear students, let us see the application of optical fibers. So these applications actually you can see in the different fields. In the medical field, actually you can yes, use these optical fibers in endoscopy, one of the important technique to view the internal organs. At the same time, in the cancer therapies, so like that there are so many applications in the medical field you can easily go through. And one important yes, application is sensors. So that means what is meant by a sensor means so which can sense easily if something happens. So okay, it is called sensor actually. So here different types of sensors you can see. So using optical fibers. So let us take a displacement sensor first. This is a displacement sensor. So that means here you can see in the figure. Yes, there is one target here, okay, and we have to yes, sense the displacement of this target. So let us take this is the source of light. So from this source of light we are sending light like this, and this light leaves the optical fiber. This is the yes, this is the optical fiber at the top end, and this light is leaving from here. This light hits the target, and this reflected light again enters into the bottom optical fiber. So this optical through this optical fiber, so light can reach the detector. That means here with the help of the detector you can see the reflected light. Okay, now here if it got displaced, here small d is the display, that means distance between the fiber end and the target. If this distance is changed, how can we sense means here you can see in the graph. So with the distance, that means d value by taking on x axis, and this is the reflected light intensity, here we have taken on y axis. You can clearly see as the change in reflected light intensity, so with the distance. So in this way we can sense the displacement of this target. So whatever the target here you can take, so you can easily sense the displacement. So let us see the next one. This is acoustic sensor. So what is acoustic sensor? Acoustic means, so in the sense, acoustic in the sense you can the sense, yes, the sound waves. So is there any sound signals we can easily sense? So here in the figure you can clearly see, yes, you can clearly see there are yes, three blocks. So this is the fixed fiber, and this is the moving fiber, and this is the detector. So and here you can take the light from one source. So this light is entering yes, into the fixed optical fiber first, and then through moving fiber, and then to detector. Okay, if there is no disturbance at all in the medium, so actually, so whatever the light that is passing through the fixed fiber, yes, can yes, straight away pass through the moving fiber also. If there is no disturbance at all, then you can easily get the light at the detector. But if there is any disturbance in the surrounding medium because of the sound signals, so definitely this moving fiber will be disturbed. So definitely the total light which is coming out of the fixed fiber cannot pass through the moving fiber. That means here at the detector the intensity will be changed. So now we can sense that, you can clearly say that, so some sound signals are established in the area, so that we can easily sense. So okay, if there are sound signals, definitely you don't get the exact light at the detector, that you can sense easily the sound signals also. So which is called acoustic sensor. Coming to the next sensor here, this is a liquid level sensor. So in the liquid level sensor, so yes, see in the first figure you can see this is the source from which you are getting light, and this is optical fiber stick. This is optical fiber stick here. So whenever light enters into the optical fiber, so actually what will happen, wait for a minute. So here, yes, so now it is clear, very clear. So here uh, when light strikes this at this particular point, actually total internal reflection takes place, and here also total internal reflection takes place. So because of this multiple total internal reflections, so here the light finally reaches the detector. That means at the detector we are getting signal now. So and this is as the top part of this liquid layer. So that means this is the liquid level. So up to here yes we have some liquid. Okay, so there is no disturbance at all. So where it, because of the multiple total internal reflections, light is getting is reaching the detector. But whenever this water level is raised, so what will happen? See in the next figure. So here the liquid level rises up to certain extent. Now what's happening here? See, so here total internal reflection takes place, no doubt, and but here the conditions will not be satisfied, and straight away it passing through into the liquid. That means here this light so not able to reach the detector, not able to reach it. That means we can easily sense that the liquid level is raised, that means we can easily sense. So like in that means water tanks or whatever it is, you can easily sense yes the rise in the liquid level. So this is about the liquid level sensor. Coming to yes temperature sensor now. So here yes, this is the field where actually we have to sense the change in temperature. So I have yes arranged here two optical fibers as usual. So this is the optical fiber yes, which is transmitting certain amount of light, and this light hits this silicon layer. That means in this field actually we have placed one silicon layer, so which has certain coating here. So whenever this light passes through the silicon layer, it absorbs certain amount of light, and again so because of this reflective coating, so the light is being reflected back and will transmit through the also this optical fiber. You can yes get this light at the detector stage. Okay, right. But whenever there is a change in temperature, definitely the absorbance, so whatever the light is absorbing by the silicon layer here, that yes quantity will be changed automatically. We can see change in the intensity of the reflected light which is passing through this optical fiber. So whenever there is a change in temperature, automatically intensity of the light will be changed. So that means we can easily sense the change in temperature at this particular area. So this is about the temperature sensor, so which is manufactured by the optical fiber. And finally you can see the pressure sensor also. So here we have taken light source, and this is optical fiber. So where actually yes optical fiber is placed, where actually we had to measure the change in pressure, and this is the light detector. Okay, right. Now if there is no pressure at all, so definitely whatever the light that is entering into the optical fiber can easily reach the light detector stage. But whenever certain pressure is applied, so and the certain pressure is there, so automatically what will happen? So certain amount of, that means bending in the optical fiber you can see. So that means certain amount of distortion will be observed at the output stage also, that means at the detector stage. So that distortion we can observe when a certain pressure is applied so this optical fiber. That means you can easily sense the pressure, you can easily sense the pressure at this particular area. So these are the yes different sensors, so that we can manufacture by using this optical fiber. Okay, so this is about the sensors. Thank you.